Have you ever noticed someone avoiding your gaze? It's often deeper than rudeness or disinterest. Let's explore why. Avoiding eye contact means deliberately shifting your eyes away during conversations. It could be glancing at the floor, focusing on objects nearby, or even staring past someone's shoulder. This isn't rare. Many experience it in varying degrees. But here's a common myth. It's always a sign of lying or lack of confidence. Not true. Eye contact norms vary wildly across cultures. In some Asian societies, prolonged gaze shows disrespect, while in Western ones, it's trust. And science shows liars might actually hold eye contact more to overcompensate. But the real drivers go beyond culture, and one links directly to our nervous system. First, social anxiety. When the brain perceives interaction as a threat, avoiding eyes reduces that intensity. It's like dimming a bright light, protecting yourself from overwhelm. But there's more to it. Consider attachment patterns rooted in early relationships. Avoidant attachment from inconsistent caregiving teaches that closeness feels unsafe. Eye contact signals vulnerability, so the person pulls back to maintain control. Simple psych anchor. It's about emotional regulation, keeping feelings at bay to avoid pain. And speaking of safety, hypervigilance plays a role few discuss. Trauma survivors often develop hypervigilance, where the nervous system scans for danger constantly. Eyes are windows to intent. Locking gazes might trigger fight or flight. It's not avoidance for avoidance sake. It's the body prioritizing safety. Dopamine dips in unpredictable social cues, making predictability, like averted eyes, more rewarding. Then there's neurodivergence, like autism spectrum. For some, eye contact overloads sensory input, competing with processing words or emotions. It's not disengagement, it's reallocating mental resources. But wait, introversion adds another layer. Introverts recharge alone, and eye contact demands energy. In group settings, it amplifies stimulation, leading to subtle withdrawal.
This isn't weakness, it's energy management. Learned behaviors from culture or family count too. If direct gaze meant confrontation growing up, avoidance becomes habit. And in professional contexts, it might signal deference or focus on ideas over egos. Finally, one underrated driver: self-protection from judgment. Deep down, avoiding eyes shields from perceived judgment. Intimacy feels exposing. What if they see your insecurities? It's a quiet boundary, often subconscious. This doesn't automatically mean someone has trauma or a disorder. It could be a momentary preference or simply how they connect differently. No quick labels. Context matters. So when is this healthy, and when does it tip into avoidance? Healthy avoidance is adaptive, like in overwhelming crowds, where it preserves your peace without isolating you. Or culturally, where it shows respect and builds rapport. It empowers connection on your terms. But it becomes avoidance when it blocks relationships, missing emotional cues, creating distance unintentionally, or stemming from unaddressed fears that limit growth. The key: does it serve you or hold you back? Check in with your nervous system. Safety first, but openness when ready. And remember, understanding this shifts how we respond. Ultimately, avoiding eye contact reveals our inner wiring, a bid for safety in a world of signals. It's deeper than you think, not a flaw, but a signal to honor boundaries, yours and others. Empowerment comes from awareness, turning avoidance into choice. Reflect, in what situations do you avoid eye contact and why? If you'd like to support the channel, consider joining our membership for exclusive insights or using super thanks below. And comment, what's one that resonates with you?